Валентина Скультэ. Английский для детей. Часть 2. Урок 27.
27th lesson. And who would not cry? Continued. Jimmy took some blotting paper and again knelt on the floor by the ink spot. Pretty soon all his fingers and his face were spotted with ink. He looked like a panther, though he did not know it. He worked very hard and almost forgot about the stockings. He spat on the floor and rubbed it with all his might. Jimmy worked very hard indeed. Then he ran back to the kitchen. He got on the low footstool and cautiously lifted the cover. The water was still boiling, as he had not turned the gas off. They must be ready by now, he said aloud. He took a long stick and tried to fish the stockings out. No success. He tried again and again. Still no success. The carrot got nervous. He took a mug and began to draw the hot water out of the kettle and pour it into an empty pail. The boy was afraid that he would have no time to wash the stockings. His mother might come back any minute. "Here is the bottom at last," Jimmy cried. "Here is the hammer. But where are the stockings?" The carrot could not believe his eyes. The stockings had disappeared. He turned off the gas, took a rag, and put the hot, empty kettle on the floor. Then he looked into the kettle once more. There were no stockings there. Instead, there was a kind of jelly on the bottom of the kettle, and nothing more. For a moment, the little boy gazed at the kettle with wide open eyes and a puzzled expression on his red, freckled face. Then he opened his little mouth very wide and set up such a howl that a big black cat sitting on the fence in front of the window fell off it into the nettle. And who would not cry, I wonder?